This video mainly introduces the concepts and common problems related to pedal frequency and describes how to increase pedal frequency effectively. How much do you know about pedal frequency? If you are an amateur, you may be a little unfamiliar with pedal frequency. Pedal frequency refers to the number of turns of the chain wheel in 1 minute. It's how many turns you pedal in 1 minute. It is a significant parameter in the field of cycling. A stable and effective pedal frequency can improve cycling efficiency and prevent joint injuries. In this video, let's talk about pedal frequency. 1. How to calculate the pedal frequency. For specific calculation formulas, please refer to the formula picture. 2. What are the benefits of high pedal frequency? 1. Save effort. The higher pedal frequency, the lighter pedal force. 2. Protect the knees. The higher the pedal frequency, the less effort is required. The less force is used by the muscles, and the less force is exerted on the knees, making it less likely to cause sports injuries and less likely to accumulate lactic acid. 3. Is the higher pedal frequency the better? The high pedal frequency corresponds to the low control. When the frequency is too high, the controllability of the feet will be weaker, and the knees will not have enough strength to support, which will cause knee discomfort. Therefore, while riding at high frequency, we should pay attention to keeping it within a comfortable range. If it is a flat road, it can be kept at 90 to 100, and when climbing, it can be kept at 70 to 80. 4. How to achieve the ideal pedal frequency. The ideal pedal frequency depends on many factors. It includes terrain, riding intensity, distance, etc. Different persons also have different suitable pedal frequencies, so it is especially important to try different pedal frequencies and find your rhythm through a lot of training and practice. You can refer to the following methods to practice pedal frequency. 4.1 Strength training. 1. Do leg exercises and enhance leg strength. 2. Do low pedal frequency and high power output training. First, warm up your body in the first and second zones. Conduct 4 to 6 groups of training and each group continue for 4 minutes. During the load training, the pedal frequency is maintained at 50 to 60 RPM, and the power is in the third zone. Between each group rest for 3 minutes. Zone 1 is the warm-up zone. The heart rate is 50% to 60% of the maximum heart rate. Zone 2 is the relaxed and comfortable leisure riding zone. The heart rate is about 60% to 70% of the maximum heart rate. Zone 3 is the aerobic fitness zone. The heart rate is about 70% to 80% of the maximum heart rate. 4.2 Training tips. 1. Lower the saddle by 2 to 3 mm to reduce the tendency of the body to bounce when riding at high speed, and then gradually adjust it back to the correct height. 2. Use a low-resistance cycling platform to increase the frequency to the maximum value in 1 minute, and maintain it until you can no longer hold on. Pay attention to maintaining the balance of the body when pedaling. 3. Carry out high-frequency training after long-distance riding. Do long-distance riding once or twice a week. 45 minutes before the end of the riding, do 6 groups of training and each group continue for 1 minute. The exercise intensity should be at zone 3 and the frequency should be more than 110 RPM. After each group, have a 1-minute rest. Thanks for watching. Regarding pedal frequency, if you have anything to share, don't hesitate to leave a message. We are looking forward to your idea and story.